For thousands of years, humans have built things not just to survive, but to be remembered. Across continents and centuries, civilizations have shaped stone, earth, and space into structures so ambitious that they seem to resist time itself. We call them wonders. But what actually makes something a wonder of the world? Is it size, beauty, engineering? Or is it the fact that these structures capture a moment in human history so precisely that even centuries later, we can still feel it? Today, there are 7 places on Earth that carry this title. Not the ancient wonders of the past, most of which have already vanished, but a modern list chosen in the 21st century. 7 creations, still standing, still visible, still defying time. The first stretches across one of the largest landscapes on Earth, the Great Wall of China. It is often imagined as a single continuous wall, but in reality, it is a vast network, over 21,000 kilometers long, built, rebuilt, and extended across more than 2,000 years. It climbs mountains at impossible angles, crosses deserts where sand slowly tries to swallow it, and disappears into valleys only to rise again miles away. In some places, it is made of stone and brick. In others, compacted earth, built by hand, layer by layer. It was not built all at once, and not by one empire. Different dynasties contributed to it, each responding to the same problem: how to protect a civilization from constant invasion. But beyond defense, the wall represents something deeper: coordination on a massive scale. Human labor organized across generations. A structure so large that it is not just architecture, it is geography. Thousands of kilometers away, hidden within narrow desert canyons, another wonder tells a completely different story. Petra. Located in modern-day Jordan, Petra was the capital of the Nabatean civilization over 2,000 years ago. But unlike most cities, Petra was not constructed by stacking materials. It was carved. Entire buildings, temples, tombs, and facades were cut directly into rose-colored sandstone cliffs. The most iconic structure, known as the treasury, was not assembled. It was sculpted from a single rock face, from top to bottom. What makes Petra extraordinary is not just how it looks, but how it functioned. It existed in one of the harshest desert environments on Earth. And yet, it thrived. The Nabateans engineered a complex water management system, channels, reservoirs, and underground pipes that captured and stored rainwater, allowing the city to survive in extreme conditions. For centuries, Petra was a center of trade. Then it disappeared from global awareness, hidden by time and geography, until it was rediscovered in the 19th century. Further west, high in the Andes Mountains of Peru, lies a city that seems to float between earth and sky. Machu Picchu. Built by the Inca in the 15th century, it sits at an altitude of over 2,400 meters, surrounded by steep peaks and deep valleys. Its location alone raises questions. Why build here? The answer lies in how it was built. The stones of Machu Picchu are cut with extraordinary precision. They fit together so tightly that not even a blade can pass between them without the use of mortar. This technique, known as ashlar masonry, allows the structures to withstand earthquakes. When the ground shifts, the stones move slightly, then settle back into place. The city also integrates seamlessly with the landscape. Terraces prevent erosion, drainage systems control water flow, buildings align with astronomical events. Machu Picchu is not imposed on nature, it is adapted to it. In Mexico, another structure reveals a different kind of intelligence, one that connects architecture with the movement of the cosmos. Chichen Itza. At its center stands the Pyramid of El Castillo. It has 91 steps on each of its 4 sides. Add the top platform, and the total becomes 365, the number of days in a year. But the most remarkable feature appears during the equinoxes. As the sun sets, triangular shadows form along the pyramid's staircase, creating the illusion of a serpent descending from the top. This is not coincidence, it is precise alignment. The Maya designed this structure to interact with light, time, and celestial movement. Chichen Itza is not just a building, it is a calendar, a clock, a connection between earth and sky. In India, one of the most recognizable structures in the world stands for a completely different reason. The Taj Mahal, built in the 17th century by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, it was created as a mausoleum for his wife, Mumtaz Mahal. At first glance, it is defined by symmetry. Every element is balanced: gardens, pathways, reflecting pools. But its true uniqueness lies in its material and detail. Constructed from white marble, the surface reflects light in subtle ways, changing color throughout the day, soft pink at sunrise, bright white at noon, and golden at sunset. Up close, the marble is inlaid with semi-precious stones, arranged in intricate floral patterns. The precision is extraordinary. Nothing is random. Nothing is out of place. The Taj Mahal is not massive compared to other wonders, but its perfection lies in proportion, detail, and emotional intention. In Rome, another structure reveals a different side of human civilization. The Colosseum. Completed in 80 AD, it could hold over 50,000 spectators. Its design was revolutionary. A system of arches and vaults distributed weight efficiently, allowing it to reach a scale never seen before in amphitheaters. It also featured an advanced system of entrances and corridors, enabling crowds to enter and exit in minutes. But the Colosseum was not built for beauty, it was built for spectacle. Gladiator battles, animal hunts, and public events took place within its walls. It reflects a society that valued power, entertainment, and control. Today, the structure remains, partially damaged yet still imposing, a reminder not only of engineering achievement, but of the culture that created it. And finally, in Brazil, overlooking the city of Rio de Janeiro, stands a figure unlike any other on this list, Christ the Redeemer. Completed in 1931, it is the most modern of the 7 wonders. Standing 30 meters tall, with arms stretching 28 meters wide, it is positioned atop Mount Corcovado, making it visible from nearly every part of the city. What makes it unique is not complexity, but placement. It does not dominate the landscape through size alone. It becomes part of it. Constructed from reinforced concrete and covered in soapstone, the statue was designed to withstand weather while maintaining a smooth, consistent surface. But its true significance is symbolic. It represents protection, peace, a presence watching over the city below. Seven wonders. 7 structures built for different reasons: defense, religion, love, power, science. And yet, they all share something in common. They were not built to be called wonders. That title came later, which means these places are not just important because they exist, but because we chose them. We chose what to remember. We chose what to preserve. And in doing so, we revealed something about ourselves, because in the end, these wonders are not just monuments of stone and history. They are reflections of human intention, of what we value enough to make it last. And maybe the true wonder is not what we built, but the fact that we are still searching for ways to be remembered at all.